Ozempic weight loss prescription near me in Minneola, Florida. The secret weight loss solution of Minneola's elite, Ozempic. Unleashing the power of Ozempic, the ultimate weight loss solution. If you're looking for a weight loss solution that can help you lose weight and keep it off, you need to try Ozempic. This incredible medication is the ultimate weight loss solution, providing real results for Minneola's most elite individuals. Ozempic works by regulating your appetite and slowing down the emptying of your stomach, helping you feel full and satisfied for longer periods of time. This means you'll eat less overall, leading to consistent weight loss and a healthier body. Unlike other weight loss solutions, Ozempic is incredibly easy to use. Simply inject the medication once a week and watch as the pounds start to melt away. With consistent use, you'll see noticeable results in just a few short weeks. The science behind Ozempic, how it works. Ozempic is a GLP-1 receptor agonist that works by mimicking the effects of the naturally occurring hormone GLP-1 in the body. This hormone helps regulate blood sugar levels and appetite, leading to weight loss and improved overall health. When you inject Ozempic, it binds to the GLP-1 receptor in your body and stimulates insulin secretion, reduces glucagon secretion, and slows down the emptying of your stomach. These effects work together to help you feel full and satisfied, reducing your overall calorie intake and leading to consistent weight loss. Studies have shown that individuals who use Ozempic consistently see significant weight loss results, with many losing upwards of 10% of their body weight within just a few months of use. Ozempic, the celebrity weight loss secret of Minneola. While Ozempic is still a relatively new medication on the market, it's already making waves in the weight loss community. Many celebrities and high-profile individuals in Minneola have been using Ozempic to achieve their weight loss goals, with incredible success. Actors, models, and even politicians have all turned to Ozempic to help them lose weight and improve their overall health. And with its easy-to-use injection format and significant weight loss results, it's no wonder that this medication has become the go-to weight loss solution for Minneola's elite. So if you're looking to join the ranks of Minneola's most successful individuals, give Ozempic a try. With consistent use, you'll see real weight loss results and achieve the body of your dreams. The benefits of Ozempic, more than just weight loss. While Ozempic is primarily known for its weight loss benefits, it offers so much more than just a smaller waistline. This medication has been shown to improve blood sugar control, reduce cardiovascular risk, and even improve overall quality of life. Studies have shown that individuals who use Ozempic consistently see improvements in their A1C levels, a marker of long-term blood sugar control. Additionally, this medication has been shown to reduce the risk of cardiovascular events like heart attacks and strokes, making it a valuable tool for individuals with diabetes or other cardiovascular risk factors. And with its easy-to-use injection format and minimal side effects, Ozempic is a medication that can help you achieve your overall health goals, not just your weight loss goals. The future of weight loss, Ozempic and beyond. As we continue to learn more about the science behind weight loss and the role of medications like Ozempic, it's clear that this medication is just the beginning. With ongoing research and development, we can expect to see even more effective weight loss solutions in the future. But for now, Ozempic remains one of the most effective weight loss solutions available, providing real results for Minneola's elite individuals. So if you're looking to achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health, give Ozempic a try today. Get info about Minneola, Florida. If you want to take the primary step in the direction of a much healthier, more positive you, after that currently is the time to enroll in our Ozempic weight loss program. Our program is made to aid you reach your Ozempic weight reduction goals in Florida while offering you the assistance as well as understanding you need to be successful. From individualized dish plans to one-on-one training, our program is tailored to your specific needs. So don't wait any longer, subscribe currently as well as begin on your journey to a healthier, better you. Ozempic for weight loss. Ozempic is an injectable medication used for weight loss in adults with obesity or overweight. It is a glucagon-like peptide 1, GLP-1, receptor agonist that works by reducing appetite and increasing feelings of fullness. The medication is administered once a week, usually on the same day and time, to maintain consistent blood levels. Studies have shown that Ozempic can help individuals lose an average of 5 to 10% of their body weight. It is typically used in combination with a healthy diet and exercise program to achieve maximum weight loss results. Ozempic has also been shown to improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease in individuals with type 2 diabetes. The medication comes in a pre-filled pen that is easy to use and self-administer at home. Possible side effects of Ozempic include nausea, diarrhea, and constipation. It may also increase the risk of thyroid cancer, so regular checkups and monitoring are necessary. Ozempic is not recommended for individuals with a personal or family history of medullary thyroid cancer or multiple endocrine neoplasia syndrome type 2. It should also be avoided during pregnancy or breastfeeding, as its effects on unborn or nursing infants are unknown. Patients should inform their healthcare provider of any other medications they are taking before starting Ozempic, as it may interact with certain drugs. The medication should be stored in a refrigerator until use and discarded after 4 weeks. Patients should follow their healthcare provider's instructions for proper injection technique and disposal of used needles and pens. If a dose is missed, it should be taken as soon as possible, but if it is almost time for the next scheduled dose, the missed dose should be skipped. Ozempic may take several weeks to start working, and weight loss results may vary from person to person. Patients should continue to monitor their weight and blood sugar levels regularly while taking Ozempic and report any concerns or changes to their healthcare provider. Overall, Ozempic can be an effective and safe option for individuals looking to lose weight and improve their health. If you are looking for an Ozempic weight loss clinic in Orange City, Florida, then Ozempic Weight Loss near me in Orange City is the answer. Medications such as Ozempic and Wegovy, semaglutide, injections can be administered at these clinics to help people reduce excessive body fat and reach their weight loss goals fairly quickly.